Hi, welcome to this video on trend lines. Trend lines are a great way to identify which overall direction a stock or instrument is headed. It also gives you points of support and resistance areas. All you need is 2 points to connect when drawing a trend line. Right now we're looking at a daily chart on ZAGG, Z-A-G-G. Let's go ahead and put a trend line on this. Okay, so we have a downtrend here. Started right here. In early February it was tested and failed. It was tested again here and here. And then you can see right here it gapped up. And remember when I said these trend lines will reverse rolls once broken? It was providing resistance here at these points. Well, once it was broken, it came back down to test it, and the trend line provided support right there. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 points, easily establishes a downtrend. And once it was broken, it did come back to test it before continuing up. Okay, here we have a chart on TIBX, Tibco software. This is the daily chart. Let's go ahead and put a trend line on this, showing this uptrend. You can see we have 1, 2, and 3 points. It started here, provided support again here, and again here. And right here is where it was broken. Now let me scroll forward so I can show you this. I'll extend this trend line out. And so you can see once it was broken here, when it came down and came back up, notice there was a little bit of resistance here. So again, the trend line reversed rolls where it was providing support back here. And then once it broke, when it came back up, it struggled a little bit to get back up above the trend line. Now you can use multiple time frames when using these trend lines. Let's go to a 1-minute chart on this same symbol, TIBX. Okay, so here's that 1-minute chart on TIBX. Let's go ahead and throw a trend line on this to show you that this was on a downtrend here. And so we have a trend establishing here, provided resistance here, and again here. So we have 3 points easily establishing a trend. Now let's scroll this forward to see how it reacted after the trend was broken. Let me extend this trend line out. Okay, so here's this trend coming down. It broke through, came back and tested it. So here we have again the trend line providing resistance here and here, and it broke through, came back, and the trend line again reversed rolls and provided support before it continued up. So trend lines are helpful in identifying the overall trend. Also, it helps to give you support and resistance levels and will help you nail down good entry points and exit points for your trades. So let's do a quick recap here. Trend lines provide support and resistance levels, which can help you in entry and exit points. Once a trend line is broken, it reverses rolls. So if a trend line that provided support is broken, it will then provide resistance. And the longer the trend is, the more significant that support or resistance area is. Sign up for our free Gimme Trades pre-market alerts at our website, www.exacttrades.com. And while you're there, check out our full library of products and services.